Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you 5 payment platforms you can use to send and receive money online without encountering any problem of account restriction or limitation. To use any of these platforms I'm about to show you, you need to sign up, and after that you will verify your account so that you can send and receive money into your local bank account. But before I proceed with this video, I would like you to pay attention to the end of this video and also encourage me by subscribing to this channel. So the number 1 platform on the list is PAYONEER. The second platform on the list is Grey.com. The third platform on the list is SENDVALU. The fourth platform on the list is Google Pay. Then the final platform is REMITLY. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for my subsequent videos, and thank you for watching.